Hey Math 8. All right, this is our last one about finding angle measures here before your quiz comes up. So finding angle measures using triangles. It's also probably the most complicated, but it's not overly difficult. So two examples here. Let's start with the first one. First of all, we need to solve for, as you can see right here, we need to solve for the angle x, which happens to be this angle right here. Okay. Well, we know that this angle plus this angle, if we add those two together, would equal 180 degrees. So we need to know what is the measure of this angle. Well, you might notice at this point, if I have this angle here, and I go straight across to this angle here, straight to here, and back to here, this makes a nice little triangle right there. And we know that all triangles add up to 180 degrees. So 40 for this angle, 31 for this angle. If I add those two together, 31 plus 40 is 71, and then I subtract that from 180 degrees, we know this last angle right here is 109 degrees. Now I can take 180, which is a straight angle right here, take 180, subtract the 109 that we have right there, and I've got 71 degrees left, so x equals 71 degrees. You may want to watch that twice if that didn't make sense, just to make sure you understand where that came from. All right, second one, this one right here. You'll notice that they give you this angle, and we want to find x again. So we're looking for x. Wouldn't it be nice to know what this angle is? Well, you know from a previous lesson, when you have parallel lines like this small angle here and this small angle here have to be exactly the same. So, since this one is 60 degrees, we know this one also has to be 60 degrees. Now, we can take our triangle, knowing that all three of these add up to 180. We can simply add the 56 and the 60 together to get to 116, subtract that from 180, and we know our angle is 64 degrees right there. Should be pretty simple. Good luck to you. We'll see you later.